Good morning, everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So for today's topic is all about the inverse trigonometric functions. So what is the inverse trigonometric functions? The inverse trigonometric functions are also called the arc functions. Since for the given value of trigonometric functions reproduce the length of an arc needed to obtain a particular value, the inverse trigonometric functions perform the opposite operation of the trigonometric functions, such as sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So, here is the formula of the trigonometric functions. So for arc sine, or the inverse of sine, so we have this sine. Arc sine is equal to negative x is equal to negative arc sine times x, is where x is equal to bracket of 1 and 1. So just follow these formulas. For arc sine, here is his formula. For cosecant, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and arccosecant. So let's proceed to examples. So here is the some of examples of the trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric problems. So number 1, find the value of x for sine x is equal to 2. So for our solution, given the sine x is equal to 2, then x arc sine times 2, which is not possible. Hence, there is no value for x for which sine of x is equal to 2, since the domain of the arc sine x is equal to is negative 1 to 1 for the value of x. So in this problem is undefined or cannot be possible. So for number 2, find the value of arc sine times sine square root arc sine times sine times pi over 6. So we're going to find this. It's inverse trigonometric functions. So the solution, arc sine times sine times pi over 6 is equal to pi over 6 using the identity of the arc sine, where arc sine times sine times x is equal to x. So this is the x, so is equal to x. That's why the answer is pi over 6. So let's proceed to our last example. Example number 3. Find the sine times arc cos 3 over 5. So solution, suppose that arc cos 3 over 5 is equal to x. So cosine x is equal to 3 over 5. We know sine x is equal to square root of 1 minus cosine squared x. So sine x is equal to square root of 1 minus 9 over 25 is equal to 4 over 5. It simplifies that sine x is equal to sine times arc cos 3 over 5 is equal to 4 over 5. So that's all for the inverse trigonometric functions. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.